At glass factory, I get a gesture to see the things. So I have seen how to make glass. The glass is made. See, this is the production in front of you. I will show you here. This is the production, and this is the glass, black glass, white glass, and a different type of glass thickness. If you can see there, I will show you the thickness. The different thickness is there. So these are the glasses which are actually, this is our own factory, and now we are doing good, and we are creating up to revenue 20 cr annually. This is great we are doing actually. So it was established in 2023, and now we are looking for the sale. If this can be sale up to 15 cr. So before that, I will be showing you some material and machinery part which is available. These are two vehicle will be there, and this is the initial input where the glass will come, and this is a machine which will like the raw small size particle will go into this blower, kind of blower. I'm not sure how it is blower, but it is going into the possession. This one, a big motor is there, and this is the line. And now I will show you the line, complete line setup. So raw material we are purchasing from Punjab nearby, and this factory is located at the border of Punjab, which is Pathankot. So this is the factory. This see the input which the glass part, the raw material comes here inside, and it goes inside it, this machine. And this is made by SK Glass, and SK Glass they are a manufacturer, I mean like EPC company. So the glass will come here. This is, and here it is that controlling panel. From there this glass will be separated and will be go for the refining. We do the glass separation as per customer requirement. This is the actually SK Glass machine who has provided this machine. We, as per desire, as per client requirement, we are changing it. So here this is okay, so this one requirement, we are changing the shape of the slide here. This is the second one, standby procession. So this is the intelligent EVA lamination machine. I have one guy operator, so he will guide better. So please tell me the operation. How? हाँ, मेरे पास रही, हाँ अच्छा। अच्छा, इधर से डालते हैं और उधर से निकल जाता है। ये भट्टी है अंदर, कितना टेम्परेचर अंदर होता है इसके? 100 से ऊपर होता है। अच्छा अच्छा, इधर से हवा चलेगी। अच्छा हाँ, यहाँ से हवा चलेगी और उसके बाद उधर से आउट। 12 mm का, और एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट। तो ये क्या काम करता है, ये जो सिस्टम लगा है? अच्छा हवा, अच्छा ये ठंडा लीजिए, माल डाल दिया और आधा घंटा लगता है। ये शीशा जोड़ दे, साफ करेंगे इसको, पोंछ जो मशीन है वो इसके अंदर पोरिंग करेगी छेद में। अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है। और ये टोटल लैमिनेशन मशीन, अच्छा ये पॉलिश मशीन है, ये क्या, ये भी पॉलिश मशीन? अच्छा, ये उसको और स्मूथ कर, ये और स्मूथ कर देगी। ओके, इसके